guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today what we're going to do is I want to make another trunk or treat or Halloween DIY, and I'm going to give this to my mother-in-law as well. She's just going to make a haul, okay? So, and this is all coming from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really cute DIY, okay? You're going to need a plunger from the Dollar Tree, okay? And if you want to make it taller, what I'm going to do is kind of like give it a broom effect, but not a spooky broom effect. So if you want a taller plunger, you could definitely go to Walmart and pick this up. But this is from Dollar Tree, and I just painted it purple. It's kind of hard to see, but this is purple, okay? And then you'll just need some eyeballs of your choice. I got all of this from the Dollar Tree except the ribbon and the paint, okay? So I don't know if I want to use these eyeballs. They're kind of big, we'll have to see, or maybe these little eyeballs. This is just going to be a cute, whimsical little DIY. I don't like scary, okay? And then I found some crepe paper in the orange. You could use any color that you wanted. And then I'm going to be using some of this washi tape that I've had from the Dollar Tree for quite a while. It just looks so funny, I think, okay? And then I didn't have any purple paint, so I had to mix mine. If you would go get just like a real vibrant purple, it would be even prettier, okay? But I just mixed Apple Barrel bright red and Bahama blue together, and red and blue make purple, okay? And you'll need a glue gun and something to cut your crepe paper with, okay? So let me go ahead and flip this down, and I'm wearing my shirt that I made with my Cricut. I think it's so cute for trunk or treat or Halloween. Now, what I'm going to do with this is I want to just cut this. First, you'll just paint this, whatever color you want. Like I said, I painted mine purple. And you just screw this wooden part out of the plunger. And then I'm going to just take this and just cut strips of this and then glue it around through here, okay? So I want my strips, probably about that long. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a bunch of these strips, and then I'll be back when I get finished. Okay, I've cut my little strips right here, and you just need to cut as many as you think you want. I'm going to double mine, but I want to put this on here first. So I think I'm just going to wrap this around here and then just cut it. And just try to get it straight. Doesn't have to be perfect because it is for, you know, Halloween trunk or treat, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I know you know what I'm doing, so I'll go ahead, cut the rest of this, and put this on here, and then I'll be back and we'll take a look at this and we'll start applying the base. Okay, this is how it looks so far. I think it is really cute. Now I deliberately, you know, it's sort of evenly spaced out and then it's not, and I love that. So I deliberately did that. And I love those little characters on that washi, the eyeballs and the ghosts and the mummies and the cat. I just think they're really cute. Okay, so now what we're going to start doing, you can either leave this big and wide or you can cut this in half. I think I'm going to leave mine I'm going to leave mine wide, okay? I'm just going to get my glue gun And I'm just going to apply glue right here. And then I'm just gonna take this and put it up however high that I want it and just push it down around there. And you might want to do this one layer at a time. Would probably give you a better effect and hold if you did that, okay? I've got my spatula so I don't get burned. And that's what we're getting. This is going to be so cute. Then I'm just going to take this one and put it right here. And like I said, I'll just go ahead and probably do one at a time because I think it's going to make things fit nicer. And you really need to go ahead and put it all around the top and not just the middle. Okay, and that's what we're getting so far. So I'll be back once I get this all around it. Okay, here it is so far like this. I think it is so cute. And you could curl it up to make it curly if you wanted. You could do so much. Okay, I'm loving that. All right, now what I want to do is figure out, we are almost finished, what eyeballs that I want to put on here. And like I said, if you wanted a taller one, you definitely could get a taller plunger. Let's just open these and see ones we might want. And this is kind of like a garland, I suppose. But since I don't want a garland, I could, this is my front. So I could either put, and this is supposed to be very whimsical. I think I'm going to go with the bigger eyes, but let's just look at the smaller ones. Do the smaller ones, but I think these larger ones really give it that totally hilarious look, okay? So let me go ahead and get another one out of here. Okay, so now we have two. I crack myself up, I really do. Oh my gosh, if you could be in my mind, you croak. Okay, we'll put one here. And then we'll put other one right there. That is so funny. Okay. Oh goodness. I have way too much fun. All right. Now let's look at this ribbon. Oh. Okay. I think. Oh my, okay. Going to cut some of this off. Now I got this ribbon at Michael's because my Dollar Tree was totally sold out by the time I decided I was going to do this. Okay, then I'm going to take a good bit of this off because I want a bow. Just cut it, and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm just going to put it around here. And you can use any kind of, you know, Halloween bow you wanted. Just pull that tight. let's see. And I'm not going to make a real big fancy bow or anything, because I don't want to overwhelm this, and just pull it till I get it the right size that I want. If you get it too big, you can always adjust it. Oh. Okay, then we're going to cut that like that, because I think this is going to be a female. She's just too cute. That could kind of be her eyelashes, maybe. And if you wanted the bow shorter, you definitely could make it shorter, but I think that's really cute. And I think I may put something around the top. I don't know what though. What would I want? Maybe just a knot, another knot up here. So I really like this ribbon. I love the colors in it. And I'm just going to chevron the ends. I think I want them shorter. Maybe this one a little shorter. Okay, we will take a look at this adorable little creature in just a second. Okay, here she is. I think she's adorable. It's so pretty. Let me bring her up here and let you see, but I love how she turned out. She's just so whimsical. I mean, I think this is adorable. And then when you set her down, this all sort of flares out. Now what you could do, I don't have another jar, but you know the round, just Dollar Tree jars, the candle holders that they have that doesn't have a lid? You could get this, put lights down in there, or candy if you wanted, and set it on top of that, and that would be so adorable. And if you had lights, it would kind of send that glow out from under it. I think that would be so cute. But I love how this turned out. It cracks me up. This would be, like I said, so cute in a trunk or treat or for trick or treat. It's just hilarious. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.